Good everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix if your recent files no longer displays in your file explorer. Now to resolve this issue, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on settings. Once you're on the settings page, you will have to click on personalization, and then on the right hand side, you will have to locate for start. Click on start. Under start, make sure show recommended files in start, recent files in file explorer and items in Jumplist is enabled. Once this is done, you may close this window and then open file explorer. You can do a right click on the start button and then click on file explorer, or you can press Windows and E on your keyboard. That should open the file explorer. Click on the home tab and then click on see more option by clicking on the three dotted lines at the top right corner, and then click on options. Under options, under the general tab, you will have to make sure show recently used files, show frequently used folders, show recommended sections. All these options are checked under privacy. Click on apply and then click on OK. Close this window. From now, you should be able to see the recent files in your file explorer. And also note, when the start explorer jump list toggle is off, file explorer will not retain the show recently used files settings, and recent files will not appear even if enabled in the folder option. So this is how you can restore back your recent files in your file explorer. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.